Yo, yeah. Good evening, Benv lover. Good evening, Benv family. You guys know I love you all. It has been a while, man. Happy New Year to all my lovely subscribers, all my lovely viewers, and all my lovely people on YouTube here. You understand? It's about time again. We'll start again. This New Year, we'll start again, man. And this year, everything is bumper to bumper, just as I promised. You understand? Just as I promised last year. You understand? Last year. More time they fly, time they fly. Okay, in today's topic is technical analysis with BenVFX. What we are going to do today is a thorough analysis on both XAUUSD, which is gold, JPUSD, and Euro USD. You understand? Those three major pairs. Then I'll be waiting for your own favorite pairs on the comment section. You guys know that I don't jump my comment section. Like I don't jump any comment at all. You understand? Drop your own favorite pairs so that we'll look into that. You understand? Then after we'll do the top down analysis and the technical analysis, then we'll discuss about many other things. You understand? We are going to discuss about many other things after the top down analysis and the technical analysis. So let's dive into the analysis. Okay, my trading view is already opened. Okay, I'm going to share my screen right now. Let me share my screen real quick. Sharing my screen. Oh, bye. Oh, stop playing, man. Stop playing. Jesus Christ. All right. Just as you can see, this is our screen is ready. Our screen is ready for the analysis, for the technical analysis. Then what exactly? Okay, we are going to start with XAUSD real quick. We are going to start with XAUSD real quick. Should I make okay? Let me make the video like this. Okay, the screen like this, yeah, so that it will be easy for everybody to see and let it be clean and clear for everybody. This is it here. So as you are joining us, please don't forget to drop your own favorite pair. You understand? Don't forget to drop your own favorite pair. Okay, this is an analysis we did on, okay, who asked this question? Our last stream last year, last year 2025. Who asked this question that I say I'm going to expect the market to buy from this particular place to the upside? You understand? This resistance level will be broken, and after this particular resistance level break to the upside, this is where I'm targeting. You understand? But it's still going. This is USD card, but we are not here for USD card right now like this. Don't forget to drop your own favorite pairs on the comment section so that we'll go through that after we do our technical analysis on XAUSD. And let me real quick load for me. There's no time. Load. Don't forget to drop your own favorite pair on the comment section so that we'll look into that. You understand? Either you are coming across this particular channel for the first time, just drop your own favorite pair. I know you have done your own technical analysis, but just drop it and see how I'm going to break it down for you. Either it to correspond with the way you do your own, or be different, then you see the difference. That's just it, man. You understand? That's just it. Why is it loading? Why is it taking time? Why is it taking time to load, man? Why is it taking time to load? I don't like this. Why is it taking time to load? What's the problem? Why is it taking time to load? I think everything is intact. Why is it taking time to load? Why is it taking time to load? Why is it taking time to load? Hmm. What's the problem? Let me go back. Oh shit. Mm. Single XAU USD. Oh, let me search this first. No, this. Why is it taking so much time to load? What's this? What's the? Why is it taking so much time to load? This thing is just delaying my. Why is it taking so much time to load? Why is it taking so much time to load, man? In case if you come across this particular channel for the first time, this is about forex trading. You understand? This is about forex trading, doing a technical analysis on forex. You can drop if you are into forex, good and fine. You can drop your own favorite pair so that you see how we'll analyze it for you, and that's just it. Nothing more than that. Yeah, nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. This is about forex trading. And if you are into forex or any type of trading at all, you can just drop your own favorite pair or any coin at all, even crypto. You can drop it so that we'll look into it and see the direction of the market. That's just it. That's what we'll do here. You understand? That's what we'll do here, man. Yup. Think I've given answer to Michael Crosley. Michael Crosley. Why is it taking so much time to load? That's my main issue now. That's my main problem. That's my main question. Why is it taking so much time to load? What's happening? Why is it taking so much time to load? So the XAUS trading view is taking so much time to load, and I don't know why. So let me resolve the issue real quick. Real quick. I don't know why it's taking so much time for it to load, and why the chart is very clean and clear here. There is no network issue, and it's taking so much time to load. Why? Why? I don't know. 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 Why is it taking so much time to load? What's this, man? What's this? And there is no network issue. There is no network issue. There is no network issue. What's the problem? What could be the problem? You now it's on. Now it's working. You understand? Now it's working. Now it's working. Now it's working. So we are going to like dive into the main topic now. I just pray there is no network problem because of what I'm doing now like this. I just pray there is no network problem because of what I'm doing here now like this. This my mouse. So whatever this guy is doing for you is not guarantee. And I don't know. It's not guarantee. I don't know. No problem. Nevertheless, I'm gonna use my hand to do the analysis. Not mouse is not compulsory. Mouse is not compulsory. Getting another mouse tomorrow. That's just the thing. Getting another mouse tomorrow. So this is it. Getting another mouse tomorrow. You. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Fully ready. Fully ready. Fully ready. Fully ready. Fully ready. Let me share my screen again because the issue have been resolved. The issue have been resolved. That's it. The issue have been resolved. The issue have been resolved. Sorry guys, sorry for delaying you. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Share screen. I'm going to share my screen now so that we start from XAUSD. You understand? After XAUSD, either JPUSD or Euro USD, any one of them that we'll start with. Then after we conclude, okay, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. Let me add it up. Everything is set. Everything is set. Sorry for keeping you waiting. That just is sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Everything is set now. Everything is set. Clean and clear. Everything is set. This is it here. So this is what we are going to do. Going to XAUSD first because there is a gap XAUSD open with today and okay. I've done this particular analysis before and the market come very close to this particular to the fair value gap and started moving up, but that's not exactly what we're going to looking at today. I'm going to like clean all this analysis that we have done since last year. You understand? Then we'll go to like technical analysis today, just as the topic implies. You understand? So as you're watching, please don't forget to drop your own favorite pair on the comments so that we'll look into that. You understand? Don't forget that. Don't forget that. So that after I do this particular technical analysis, then I'll come back to your own favorite pair. You understand? If you look closely today, this is how far XAUSD move from the opening down to when it's about to close. You understand? And we have less than 33 minutes for this particular candles for today candlestick to close. It is 8:27 and the market is going to close by I think 10 to 11, I mean. to 11. The market is going to close 11. You understand? According to how the time is presently. And if you go to like smaller time frame, let me mark today opening, today's week, and where the market is presently. You understand? Okay, this is where the market opened from today. Then this is where the market is presently. This is the all-time high for today. You understand? Today, this particular two black line like this that you're seeing is where the market opened from today. Then the week of the market where it the like where it go down to. You understand? Then to where it's reach. That is the up and down black line that you are seeing on the chart presently. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame because this is not weekly top down analysis that we are doing. This is this is technical analysis. You understand? When we do daily, weekly top down analysis, that is where we'll go to weekly time frame to see how the week close. You understand? Then we can predict the next week. You understand? But when we supposed to do that particular weekly top down analysis is yesterday. But yesterday there is no light, and the solar that I'm about to install, I've installed the solar, but there are things I need to buy again, you understand, to like complete the project, but I'm still on it. So yesterday there is no light for us to do a thorough weekly top down analysis. So now like this, what we are about to do is an intensive technical analysis. So when you are doing your intensive technical analysis, you start from daily time frame. You understand? If you start from daily time frame, then you mark the high and low of the day. You understand? The high and low of the day. Then you go down to 4 hour time frame. Then see how 4 hour time frame is behaving. But there are key points that I'm going to show you guys on the chart presently now, so that all of us will be looking out for that tomorrow, because most like compulsorily, it's a compulsory that the market, no matter how far the market want to go, it must come down to like fulfill that particular promise or fulfill that particular thing that it creates before it goes to anywhere. You understand? So we are going to 4 hour time frame now. Let's see how 4 hour time frame look like. You understand? Let's see how 4 hour time frame look like. Then after we'll see how 4 hour time frame look like, then we'll still go down till we finish the technical analysis. That's how I do my own technical analysis. And I've been in this game for over 4 years now. Everything I'm saying is out of experience. You understand? I'm not saying anything because I'm seeing it on the chat. Like I want to come on live video just to make a live video. No, I'm saying everything out of experience. You understand? There's nothing I'm see. This particular profession, sef, forex trading is not something that you can teach without having the knowledge. You understand? It's not something that you can teach without having a knowledge. In case if somebody asks you a question, how can you defend yourself? Mm. If someone asks you a question, how can you defend yourself if you don't know anything about forex trading and you come to live video to make a video or to make a technical analysis? You understand? So this game is a game that is the only profession, is the only school that you go without an expo. You understand? There is no school in Nigeria or in Africa as a whole. Let me tell you, there is no school that you go that they will not be expo, that they will not do expo before they pass their WAEC and NECO. You understand? Even those schools that don't used to pay this in logistics, they call it logistics. They suffer. You understand? They suffered before they passed their WAEC and NECO. You understand? But you see this game called forex trading is the only game, is the only profession, is the only school that you go with that you cannot copy from another person. No, you understand? You cannot copy from another person. Even if you copy from another person, you must use your own techniques. You understand? Before it will work for you. You understand? Except if you learn from another person, you still add your own. You understand? There's not that like there's you cannot cram it. This game like this, there is no way you can cram it. That's just what forex trading is all about to me personally, because I've been in the game over 4 years now. So this is it here. This is it. We are going to 4 hour time frame. Let me show you guys what I'm expecting on XAUSD tomorrow. Not today anymore, tomorrow. So this is it. So on the 4 hour time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market open from this particular area. Let me carry this arrow. This is it here. The market open from here, carrying this arrow so that you guys, so that all of us will see it very clear. Either you're watching it live or you're watching after the live video, so that we all see it very, very clean and clear together. So the market open from here. Are you seeing here? There is a gap that the market open with. You understand? The market open with gap, and the gap is not a small gap. This is 4 hour time frame, and the gap is huge. So the market open with gap, trending to the upside, break above this particular resistance level, and after it's break above this particular resistance level, it retest. You understand? It retest with this particular bearish candle. Then we'll see another 4 hours. I would like to tell you guys is I'm 60-minute time frame. You understand? But I want to like show you guys something. No matter how far this particular market go, just mark my words today. Mark my word in this particular live video. No matter how far it goes, you understand? Let me show you guys something. There's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. See, as the market is taking an impulsive move to the downside, there is a fair value gap here. So no matter how the markets go, there is no way the market will like pass this particular fair value gap without feeling this particular gap that it creates. Shey you get? The market will like reach this particular fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? Just like this. Let me mark it out. Just like this. If the market did not move down from this particular area this night, if the market did not move like as it break above this particular resistance level, if the market did not move to fill this particular gap this night, it will like manage reach this particular fair value gap, then form something like an M pattern on the lower time frame, then it will break to the downside to feed this particular gap. After you feed this particular gap that you are seeing like this, before we see something like a W pattern, even if the market will go down to the upside. If not until the market feed this particular gap, there's no way the market XAUSD will go and create another all-time high. Just mark my word. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm seeing on XAUSD. XAUSD open with gap. You understand? And as it's going to the upside, there's no way it's not going to anywhere until it's fulfill this particular thing. It's for like if until it fill this particular gap that it creates. You get? That's exactly what I'm seeing on XAUSD. Let me make the chart very, very clean and clear for you guys so that you guys will see what exactly I'm talking about. You understand? So that you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. And if you are confused in any way, just feel free to ask your question and I'm here to answer you. Just drop the question on the comment section so that I'll answer you. So these are the two major areas that I'm looking out for. These are the two key major areas that I'm looking out for. This is it here. This particular fair value gap. If not until the market feed this particular not fair value gap, the market feed this particular gap, there's no way the market will go and create another all-time high. You guys should mark my word. And there's a fair value gap here. If the market manage and reach this particular fair value gap, then it will like form something like an M pattern on the lower time frame, then break to the downside and fulfill this particular promise. Because whenever you see this kind of gap in the market, whenever you come from like maybe you come from weekend and you see a gap in the market must come down and for like fill the gap before it will go to any direction. You understand? If you don't know this before, just know this now today like this. You understand? So the next pair that we're going to, if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. Drop it real quick on the comment section so that we'll like move to the next one. If you have any question regarding this particular analysis that I do, just drop it on the comment section so that we'll move to another one. Real quick. Real quick. Okay, while waiting for your questions, I'll check on GBP USD. You understand? I'll check on GBP USD. On our screen here, this is GBP USD. I predict this particular movement, but okay, I've done all this particular analysis before. That's just the thing. I've done all this analysis, but let me see what's happening. Let me see what's happening. Okay. The problem is that okay, something like this. So this is GBP USD. GBP USD. My initial analysis is the market to like break above this particular resistance level, then retest the resistance level. You understand? Then move to the upside. But what exactly do you see? The market come and feel this particular inner, come to this particular inner support level. I'm going to clear all this thing now. The market break above this particular resistance level. Mm. On GPUSD, the market break above this particular resistance level, then retest it. You understand? Immediately it retests, it give this particular bullish engulfing candle. This is a weak, this is a long wave, that a long rejection from the downside. And what exactly this rejection comes to do? It's come to feed this particular gap, fair value gap that the market creates when the market is moving, taking an aggressive move to the upside. And after the market come to feed this particular gap, it forms something like a W pattern. This is exactly the type of pattern I always tell you guys. You understand? This is exactly the type of pattern that I always tell you guys that the markets normally create usually. So the market creates this particular W pattern before it's moving to the upside. So what exactly are we going to do? Let me go to 1 hour time frame, then we'll see how today candlestick is closing, then we'll know how to predict tomorrow candlestick. Okay, this is it here. The market moved from this particular support level, as you can see, with this particular bullish candlestick. You understand? With this particular bullish candlestick. And what exactly are you seeing? Mm, what exactly are you seeing? The market have break above this particular resistance level with the bullish candlestick. You understand? The market have break above this particular resistance level. Where is the next resistance level now that we'll be looking out for? This is the next resistance level on the daily time frame. This is the next resistance level. This is the next resistance level. You understand? This is the next resistance level that will be like expecting the market to like reach, because presently now the market have break above this particular resistance level. You understand? This particular resistance level, the market break above this one, retest it, then move again to the upside and break above this particular one. Then immediately as the market have break above this particular one, what exactly do you want that like do you supposed to do is to go to 4 hour time frame and see what the market is doing on the 4 hour time frame. Then if you come to your 4 hour time frame, what exactly do you supposed to do? What exactly do you supposed to look out for? Okay, the market is just breaking the resistance level, then you go down to like smaller time frame, like daily 1 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you wait for the market to retest this particular support level. You understand? Retest this particular support level. Now that is like previously it was a resistance level, but now that the market have break it to the upside, it's automatically turned to a support level. You understand? So when a market break any resistance level, it's automatically turned to a support level. Is either the market come to this particular support level, go to the upside, or come down to feed the gap. You understand? Or come down is either as the market have moved above this particular resistance level, it will like turn it to a support level before it will move to the upside, or it will go down, you understand, to fill this particular gap here before it will move to the upside. Like that will be like something tomorrow during London section, the market will be around here. Then from that kind London section down to New York section, the market might break to this particular area. Then from New York section down to Asia section, the market will like move to the upside. You understand? But no how tomorrow candlestick is going to close bullish, just as you see today's candlestick with this particular strong bullish candle to the upside. You understand? With this particular bullish candlestick to the upside, this is it here. So when you see this type of strong bullish candle to the upside and break above a resistance level, all you expect in the following day is the market to like open and close bullish. All you need to do is look for a support level, you understand, a major support level where the market might move from. Then you like join the trend to the upside tomorrow. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. You get, not to trade against the trend, you understand, not to trade against the trend. Wait for the market to like come to a major support level, do your technical analysis very very well, wait for the market to come to a major support level, then wait for your strategy to play out, give you a buy signal, then you follow the trend to the upside. As you can see, since the market take an impulsive move from this particular area, it just give a little retracement and give another impulsive move to the upside, consolidate a bit, then give another impulsive move to the upside. You understand? Now it has consolidate, come down to this particular support level, and it has give another impulsive move to the upside. So what we'll be expecting tomorrow candlestick to close bullish, then we'll see a little retracement, then before we'll see a continuation to the upside. But regardless, when we are doing our this next week weekly top down analysis on Sunday, there are a lot of things that I'm going to talk about. You understand? There are a lot of things that I'm going to talk about next week. You get, there are a lot of things that I'm going to talk about next week. Photographics, aggressive, no be lie, my bro. We are active, we are active. The new year have started already. You understand? You guys know how we do it. The new year have started, no relent and no retreat. You understand? So we are active. We are active. I just pity anybody who will not be active this year, man. I pity anybody who will not be active this year. You get, so aggressively active 4 times in a week. You understand? Whenever, if I have the chance, you understand, 4 times in a week, and I pray I'll have chance for you guys 4 times in a week live straight, and that will not stop me from posting my video. You understand? Videos. I'll call it videos because posting videos, coming to live video to like share my own knowledge and my own and everything that I understand in the market. And you understand, that's how it's going to be, back to back to back to back to back, till we end this particular year in profit, just like last year. You understand? Just like last year. So when, I don't know, should I even talk about this now? Let me finish the analysis first. This is DPUSD that we are analyzing, and if there is any way you confused, just let me know so that I will repeat myself. You understand? That's just the promise that I give to you. If there is any way you confused, just let me know real quick so that we'll come back to it real quick. You understand? You guys know I'm here and I'm here for you guys alone. That's just it. That's just it. So tomorrow I'll be waiting for the market to come to a major support level, either on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we'll have an inner support level here. This is where let me delete this particular one. This is not relevant anymore, and this is not relevant anymore. Let me see. These two are no longer relevant. Okay, we have an inner support level here. Yes, we have our inner support level at this area. There is an inner support level here, just as you can see. So we'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular inner support level tomorrow, so that we'll enter for a buy to the upside, so that I'll follow the trend to the upside. That's just exactly what I'm looking out for, and that is exactly what I'll be waiting for during London section to New York section tomorrow. You understand, on JPUSD. So This is exactly what I'll be waiting for on GPUSD tomorrow. Waiting patiently for the market to come to this particular inner support level. You understand? Then I'll go in for a buy. Wait for my start date to play out. Then I'll go in for a buy. You understand? Then I'll go in for a buy. And my target will be this particular resistance level. You understand? This particular resistance level. This is about one to 4.5. You understand? 1 to 4.5. This is exactly what I'll be waiting for tomorrow to follow the market to the upside. That's just it. So if there is any way you are confused, just let me know on the comment section real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Just let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. If there is any way you are confused, just let me know in the comment section. Then the next one is Euro USD. The next one will be Euro USD. Let's analyze Euro USD together. Yeah, this one just played out the way I predict it. Sorry. On our last live stream, I predict the market to like break below this particular support level, then retest it. After it retests it, to break to the downside, and this is exactly what the market do. The market retest and break to the downside actually, but what exactly are you seeing now? We are having an impulsive move to the upside, but regardless, the market will still reverse to the downside and fill this particular fair value gap that it's creating. But let me see what daily time frame is saying. Regardless, okay, this is what daily time frame is saying. Daily time frame is moving from this particular area. Hmm. Daily time frame is moving from this particular area. Then okay, let me go to okay, the market tap on this particular fair value gap. Because there is a fair value, this is a fair value gap. Mm. This is a fair value gap. The market tap on this particular fair value gap, come into this fair value gap very, very clear before it's giving this particular rejection to the upside. Okay, okay, okay. In a short period of time, we'll be like seeing a massive push to the upside up to this particular area. Oh my goodness. And I get a buy opportunity in the morning and I stop it out. Oh my God, not do a thorough top-down analysis on this particular pair. But there will be an opportunity tomorrow to enter. You understand? Because this particular gap here, there will be an opportunity tomorrow to enter this particular trade. And if I have the chance, I'll come to live video during London section and wait for an opportunity to present itself. Then we'll take the trade together. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Then what is it? What is it? There will be an opportunity tomorrow to enter this particular trade again. You understand? We'll never miss out of this particular trade. There will be an opportunity tomorrow because the market will come down to fit this particular gap first before it will move to the upside. Except if the market decides to just move directly to the upside, then come down to fill the gap later or next time or something like that. Okay. Then that's exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD. Euro USD come to this particular fair value gap, tap into this particular fair value gap immediately and take an aggressive move to the upside. And this move that the market have taken, it will like retrace to the downside a bit. Exactly what I'm seeing. The market will retrace to the downside to this particular area. As the market have moved from here all the way to this particular area, resistance level, this is the resistance level. It will consolidate here tomorrow a bit higher. You understand? Because I'm seeing a serious buy to the upside this period. Because that sharp rejection from the downside is not normal. So we will see a break, like the market is going to break all this particular resistance level that it creates. You understand? So we'll wait for the market to come to this particular inner support level tomorrow. You understand? Then we'll go in for a sell, for a buy. And if we go in for a buy from this particular area, our stop loss will be below this particular week. You get? Our stop loss will be below this particular week. Let me carry this arrow. Our stop loss will be below this particular week. That's exactly what I'm going to look out for tomorrow. I'm going to look for a buy opportunity on GPUSD, a buy opportunity on XAUSD. I'll be looking for a sell opportunity on XAUSD because the market opened with gap and looking out for the market to drop massively to the downside and fill that particular gap, then take an impulsive move to the upside. That's exactly what I'll be expecting on XAUSD because no matter how the markets move very fast, reach there's no way the market will leave this gap like that. The market must fill it before it go any direction. You understand? That's exactly what I've been experienced for the past few years in this particular game. So if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section real quick. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section real quick. Real quick. And if there's no questions, then we'll meet on Wednesday. If you have no questions, then we'll meet on Wednesday because this particular live stream is 4 times in a week. You understand? 4 times in a week. Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's when we come on live video here. Every blessed week, 4 times in every blessed week. That's when we come on live video here. And if you have any question, if you have any question, just bring it up when we come on live video. That's just all we do here. You understand? That's just all I do. I come on live video, take question from you guys, and do my own technical analysis my own way. You understand? Because this particular industry, there's no way you do a technical analysis that will make sense to other persons. You understand? There's no way you do your own technical analysis that will make sense to other trader. You understand? But the only thing you need to know is, no, anyhow you do your own technical or any type of, like, anyhow you call it, no matter how you do your own analysis and you come out profitable, that's just the main thing. You understand? Just do your analysis the way you know how to do it and come out profitably. That is just it. Once you can be profitable, that's just it. You have nothing. You get, and you have if you have a strategy that is working for you already, then that's just it. You don't need any other ones. No. And if you can analyze the market by yourself, clean and clear, good, then that's just it. So see you guys next tomorrow. Yep, I'm done for today.